Hey guys, my name is Anuradha. Welcome to our channel GK Guidance and Knowledge. Happy morning to all of you. Today we are going to discuss 50 years of India and Bangladesh relations. Our quotation is: You can choose your friends, but you can't choose your neighbors. Countries have to accept that and stop fighting wars. Why do thousands have to die for some piece of land? I travel around the world for UNICEF and I sometimes wonder why we even have borders. Narrated by Jackie Chan. Our one liner questions are: India shared longest boundary with which country? Indo Bangladesh Joint Navy Exercise. Indo Bangladesh Military Exercises. BBIN members number countries are Bangladesh, India. Rest you need to tell me. Railway link between India and Bangladesh. Need to give the exact position of that area. Bangladesh National Day celebrated on which date? India Bangladesh are shared how many rivers? Our question is: India link with Bangladesh are civilization, cultural, social, economical. Discuss the present area of cooperation along with the associate concerns. So, our introduction would be: first of all, you can make a map, then start intro. India and Bangladesh are one country in past. That's why we have civilization, cultural, social and economic links. After partition, Bangladesh give to the Pakistan and they start exploiting two of the people and imposing Urdu language on them. Basically, they are Bangla speaking persons. In 1971, Bangladesh formed a new country with the support of India, and Bhutan is the first country who recognized Bangladesh as a country. Then India recognized it. In 2021, we celebrated 50th National Day of Bangladesh and 72 Republic Day Parade of India. 122 members participated from Bangladesh Armed Forces. Areas of cooperation. India shares largest boundary with Bangladesh. In 2015, land boundary signed by the length is 4,096 kilometers. Both are members of SARS, BIMSTEC, IRA, Commonwealth, and Bangladesh also support India in UNSC elections. Both share 54 common rivers, and JRC work for mutual benefits. What is JRC? Joint River Commission. India export 116 megawatt of power to Bangladesh. Both conduct joint military and navy exercise, Sampriti and Milan respectively. In South Asia, Bangladesh is the biggest trade partner of India. India provides exemptions to the Bangladeshi export under SAFTA. Restored railway link between Haldiwari, India and Chalahati, Bangladesh. Jointly inaugurated recently, Bangladesh agreed to sign enabling MOU for BBIN. What is BBIN? Bangladesh, Bhutan, India, Nepal. Initiative Motor Vehicle Agreement. Bangladesh that ensure no anti-India terror or insurgency activity can carried out from its soil. India provide vaccine to Bangladesh to tackle pandemic. Associated concerns are NRC, National Register of Citizens, BRI, Benton Road Initiative. Bangladesh is active partner of this. Bangladesh purchased huge Chinese military equipments. Tista River issues between India and Bangladesh. Bangladesh trade deficit. Bangladesh get deprived and polluted water due to waste and industrial sources. This is related to Farakka Barrage issue. Border incidents, illegal migration and drug trafficking from Myanmar. We have to take some steps. Those are: agreement on water sharing should be given priority. Need to sign bilateral treaty to strengthen security cooperation. 70% of Bangladeshi has pro-India sentiments according to 2014 report. If we provide liberal visa system, it can strengthen our relations. and increase people to people contact. Need to resolve trade issue and increase investment. India must encourage Bangladesh step on Women's Day. First transgender anchor host a show in news channel with that provide more vaccines to Bangladesh under Maitri initiative of India to provide vaccine to neighbors. It builds India's soft power. India can cooperate in common issues like disaster, food, flood, environment, energy security management. It also helps India in countering northeast insurgency and drug trafficking, which comes first from Myanmar, and also develop northeast India. Fencing and monitoring needs speedily done. It creates misgivings at short period of time, but in long run it ensures illegal migration and border incident control. Need to strengthen our ties in defense, investment, security, connectivity, energy, cooperation, environment, disaster management, and blue economy. Our conclusion would be India and Bangladesh are bordering countries and have so many ties. That's why both need each other. So we have to eradicate all the issues and strengthen our relations. It positively increase both the economies in long run. Our one line questions answer is India shared longest boundary with Bangladesh. Is it? It is 4096 km. India Bangladesh joint navy exercises Milan and India Bangladesh navy military exercises Sampriti. BBIN countries included Bangladesh, Bhutan, India, Nepal. Railway link between Haldibari, India and Chalahati, Bangladesh. Bangladesh National Day celebrated on 26 March 1971. India Bangladesh shares 54 common boundaries. Rivers. This is it for today. Thank you for listening. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Also, provide your suggestions to improve. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.